Hello there, folks. This is Joe Wazoo here. Hey, in this quick example, I'm going to attempt to update my FlexEdge DA70 via a boot file on the micro SD card, thus a file called image.ci3. So before I get on to this, let me show you a couple things. First of all, I am actually talking to my DA70 via Ethernet here. I got it in. And you can see the IP address of the unit is 192.168.222.222, which is the normal default IP address of Ethernet 2. And I'm also online with it here. So I went to that same IP address, logged into it with the password. And you can see that today, this unit is currently running 3.2.1006. That's what's currently on here. And I don't even know, is there a file on here? Let's see if there's something. Oh, there's nothing exciting, but anyway. So if you go to the default website, and if you click System up here, and you got to log in, remember that the password is inside the cover. So you may need to power down the DA70, take the sled out, take a picture of the inside. That's where you'll find the password on the DA70. On the DA50, you can find the password on the side of the unit. Again, I always recommend take a picture of it with your phone. That way you can zoom in on it and see it. So anyway, here you go. So you can see there, that's what I have. So I'm going to try, let me go ahead and open up Crimson 3.2. And here I am in Crimson 3.2. I'll go ahead and do a file new. And the model that I happen to have here today is this one right here. You can change this, but whatever, this is no big deal. I'm going to click the OK button. All right. Let me check a few things over here on the left in device configuration. I'll make sure Ethernet 1 is set up as DHCP. That's okay. Ethernet 2, I'm going to leave that IP address. That's the default. You can also change it to whatever you have yours, but that's what I'm doing here in this case. If I go over here to display pages, I'm going to maybe make this change. I'll delete that, and I'll change the background color of my page to something else. I'll go to yellow. There you go. I guess I didn't click on yellow. Let's try again. Yellow. There it is. And then while I'm in here, I'm going to go over to web server. I'm going to change the transport protocol to TCP, and I'll click on the features tab since I'm in here, and I'll do remote control enabled and bare display mode for my, I love that. There's a great YouTube video I have on that. So, okay, so I think I got a pretty nice little starter database here to get this thing to update. So I'm going to go to the file pull down here, and I'm going to click save image. I'm going to click save image here, okay? When I click save image, I'm going to save it, and I'm going to call it, the file name, call it image here, and I'll save it somewhere I can find it. In this case, you can see I'm going to put it on the temp directory, boot image, whatever, and I'll hit the save button. Can I make this smaller? Yeah. I'm going to click the save button right here. And of course, it's going to override that because that's okay. Do you want to upload? I'm going to say, do you want to support that? I'll say yes to this as well. Okay, so in theory now, I have that file as image.ci3. Now, what I need to do is I need to move that file to the micro SD card that I can put in this unit and have it power up. So on the particular unit, if I use my trusty pencil, right here, let's see, can I make this full screen while I'm recording? Wouldn't that be cool? Okay, right here is a little micro SD card in this unit. So I'm going to try to pop that out. I have this currently powered up so you can see the green ring. I am going to go ahead and power it down right now. So there, I powered it off. Okay. And I'll take myself a trusty little screwdriver. Maybe I won't if I can't find one. Here's one right here. Okay. All right. So I'm going to pop this little thing out here. Maybe I won't. There it is. It's a micro SD card. Of course, I have extremely fat fingers, so I'll take my trusty little set of pliers, pull that guy out. There it is. I pulled it out just like that. That's the way it went in. All right, let me take that over here and make this. Okay, I'm going to plug it into a little micro SD reader I have here. At least I think I have one here. Where's the slot for this thing? Let's see if this is it here. Ah, there we go. Okay, I didn't have it in correctly. All right, so here's the drive. This is the root directory. I'm showing it right here. I want to put that image.ci3 file here. So I'm going to go ahead and go to where I saved it. Give me a second here, team. I put that in my temp directory. And I called that, it was under the boot image, wasn't it, right here? There it is. So I'm going to go ahead and right click and I'm going to copy this for this example. I'm going to copy, you could also cut, but I'm going to copy it. And I want to paste that on the root directory of this card. All right, so once I've got that on the root directory, I'm going to go ahead and turn off my card reader. That gets rid of that. And go back to Crimson here. Okay, I'm going to pop that out of my little reader. And I'm going to put that back into the screen here, or into the DA70. I think I got this the wrong way. Let's try it here. Oops, and I'm going to use my little screwdriver to push that all the way down on there. There. All right, it's clipped in. Now, I have the unit powered off. That was an important thing. You want to make sure it's powered off when you take that out and put it in. And now my goal is I'm going to power it up, and I want to get this unit to boot from that. And the goal of this is to see if we can update the firmware in this. So let's go ahead and plug this guy in, and let's see what happens here. And this might take a few minutes, so let's see what it does here. It's doing some blinky. And it's currently like a white, gray, or white ring right now, so it's doing some refreshing here. I should buy a new camera. This camera's got a terrible picture. All right, the ring's all the way off. Looks like it's recycling power. Well, I don't know how big an update this was, so we'll give it a few chances here. It looks like the ring's staying solid green this time. Okay, so if that's the case, let me go back to my, shrink this down, go back to our DOS window here. Let's see if I hit the up arrow. Can I ping it? Okay, I can still see it there. That's a good sign. Let's go back to our web browser here. This is interesting. Let's go ahead and refresh this and see what happens here. Okay, we'll do advanced. We'll relog back in here. Okay. Hey, look at that, team. I successfully updated that via the image.ci3 file. So that's pretty sweet right there. That's nice. Anyway, hey, thanks a lot. Have a great day. See you later.